Welcome to the 7-day AI brand system. All right, welcome to day one. Before we start building anything, I want to set the tone for this entire program. Over the next 7 days, you're not just learning random techniques, you're learning a full system that can take an idea in your head and turn it into a brand you can actually launch. Today is simple, but it's important. We're setting the foundation. What this program is about. In this lesson, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to expect from the program and how to get the most out of it. Each day in this system builds on the previous one. That means if you follow it step by step, you won't feel lost or overwhelmed. Everything has a purpose. By the end of these 7 days, you'll have a clear brand direction, a complete content plan, and the tools to start creating using AI fast. This system is designed so you can move quickly, without getting stuck overthinking or wasting time on things that don't matter. Key takeaways. Here's what you're going to walk away with after this lesson, how the 7-day system actually works. I'll explain how each day stacks on the next so you always know what to do. What you will achieve by the end of the program: clarity, direction, and a brand you can start building immediately. How to move through the lessons quickly without overwhelm, so you stay focused and finish strong. This program is meant to be simple, actionable, and fast. No fluff, no unnecessary steps. What you need before moving on. Before you jump into the next lesson, you need 2 things ready. Download your starter checklist. This will guide your decisions for the rest of the week. Choose the brand or idea you're working on. Don't overthink it. Pick something simple. You can refine it later. Doing these 2 tasks now makes the entire system smoother and a lot easier to follow. Once you have your checklist and your idea ready, go ahead and move to the next lesson. This is where the real building starts. Let's get into it.
Welcome to day 2. Today is where we start turning your idea into a real brand. Something structured, something clear, and something that can grow into a 10K ready system. This is one of the most important days in the program, because everything you build later depends on what you decide today. What day 2 is all about. Day 2 is focused on one thing: your brand identity. Not the logo, not the colors. The core identity, the foundation behind it all. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what your brand stands for, who it serves, what problem it solves, and what promise it delivers. These are the decisions that make your brand feel real, consistent, and powerful. Why this matters. Here's the truth. Brands don't break because of design. They break because of confusion. Confusion about who you're talking to. Confusion about what you offer. Confusion about the transformation you deliver. Day 2 eliminates all of that. Once your identity is clear, everything else, your visuals, your content, your messaging, becomes 10x easier. You'll move faster, feel more confident, and build with direction instead of guessing. What you'll learn today. Key takeaways. Here's what this lesson will help you understand. The essential components of a profitable, recognizable brand identity. How to position your brand clearly inside a niche. How to write your brand promise. The transformation you deliver. How to understand your audience in a simple, powerful way. How to choose the tone and personality that fits your brand. By the end of today, your brand will feel real, defined, and ready for growth. What you need to do right now. Before you move to the next lesson, you need to complete the supporting materials. Brand Identity Worksheet, Niche Positioning Guide, Value Angle Builder Audience, Snapshot, Profile, Brand Clarity Checklist. Don't rush through these. This is the foundation of everything we build in the next 5 days. Once you complete your worksheets and lock in your identity for the next 7 days, you're ready for Lesson 2, where we'll go deeper into naming, positioning, and shaping your brand message. Let's move with purpose. See you in the next lesson.
If you want more videos like this, visit my Stan store and follow me on all platforms.